Video for episode 2 of Animal Hospital. Lottie.
Hello.
Hello. You might not hear her, you have to speak loud.
Hello, I'm right here.
Okay. Oh, exit. I was about to press that.
Yeah.
It's very hard to get in public service. It's just 2 people. Oh.
Yeah.
Now we have to wait, guys.
Yeah. Wait, I'll go.
Okay. Oh no, we got one. Oh, she's waiting. Nah, I'm not going for it. I'm waiting for one opens up. Okay, we have one. I think so. So that's like 130 shifts. Lottie, come on. Oh my god, yeah, and one, you can't say his name, Lois, you know that, say it.
I know.
One of our friends, is just send me a message to join Rivals. Should we join Rivals for episode 8? No. Just stay in. Oh my god, you're messing up the video. I'm pausing it. Sorry for the interruption. Lottie, iPad just crashed. Oh, now you have to wait. Oh, go. Stop. Let's go. We're in a match. Took us a minute. Yes. Give me my Blade. My Blade is cool. I love my Blades. It's definitely not a Blade. Ow. Buoys. Okay, shift 1. Last time I got to shift 3 and I killed myself. Let's see if I could do better. As a head nurse, I think. Am I a head nurse? Oh, I'm taking a coffee. What? I have 60. Hello, my first patient. I am about to start. I'm going to move my blade right now. Shh. Oh, it failed. Because it hit my iPad. Happy or normal, who cares? We always go signing in. Okay, done. And he's copied. Now for the next patient. Waiting. I just went in here. And first, next patient is done. Now waiting again to the end of the shift. Because I've already taken 9 months. Farrah! Oh my god. You're going to kill him? Because he was an ugly bro. Bro, we had 2 people named the exact same name. What the fuck? Bruh. Rip your hair open. See, we've got that. Now we got to sew some hair. Now look at that.
Ow.
Don't move.
Actually cutting my hair.
I'm not. It's just I'm just pulling your hair.
It still terrifies me.
Okay. You got excellent. Best was Lottie. Congratulations.
Why do you say my real name?
Sorry guys, that's not her real name. She's just joking. JK, her real name is Michael Jackson. Eddie, her real name I'm not allowed to say online. Why shut him down? How? How do you know?
Check security cameras.
What do you look like? Hey, Momo. Hello, my name is Isa Pakubaka.
Fix the cameras.
I have checkered camera. She's bored.
Fix the camera.
I am fixing the camera. Am I moving?
Yes, you are.
What?
Yes, you are.
I can't see myself in the cabs. Where am I? Where am I? What the hell? I'm at the door.
You're back at the office.
I want to do it myself. I can't see myself. I'm going to hold out something, but I have nothing. I'm going to hold out coffee. That's what I'm going to hold out. Okay. Now you can do the strat. Now I see myself moving. Coffee moving.
Oh, I just got the human monster. Holy.
That coffee's my friend now. You shut the door on me, frick you. I mean the patient. Okay, I drank all the coffee. That's what we're cooked.
Oh, hey, I found a broken camera.
Where was it?
You literally walked it faster.
It wasn't the cat. Oh yeah, it was because it was broken. Medkit, medic, medic. We need a medic.
That's my train lost.
We need a medic because someone's stabbing Lottie in the hair. Wait, that's not her real name. That's her nickname.
What's my real name then?
Your real name is Optis.
That's not my real name.
Your real name is... Her real name is Lily. Okay, ready for the surgery. Naughty. Good. We moved cancer out of your head. I'll go through it again. Where is the coffee?
Oh, they got so stuffy.
Why don't sign in the patient? How? Oh, freak you. Okay. I don't know where I'm walking. Wait, you can see me walking, right? Am I at the door?
No.
Where am I?
You had the trash bin.
Okay, I need to move out. And then I'm at the door.
You're out the door.
Yes, I'm in straight. I see my username. Yes, let's go. I'm going to take him. Next cam. This is we. Funny. That's such a trick.
It says that's free location. Right?
That's how I can see my username. That's right.
Oh my god.
Wait, I was at the coffee. I want to get coffee. Oh, it was not ready yet. Oh, now it is. Okay, coffee. I'm going to stay like this for the whole game, okay? Is that fine with you?
No, because if it comes to rush hour, then you've got to get out.
How did I get out of the room? I haven't seen myself. Okay, go this way. I'm out of the room.
I swear to God, we messed up rush hour.
Here, what's a coffee? Floating coffee. Oh, I drank the coffee by accident. I drank it again. I was just told. I don't know where I'm going. Sorry. On cam. Oh. Okay. I have done anything in this room. I haven't done anything. Yay! We completed it. spilled it. Bruh. Be fine. Hey, oh, bro. My headache's been headaching all day.
It's because of that stupid cap of yours.
What? What you say?
Because of that stupid cap of yours.
Oh, get out. Blech. Okay, I want coffee.
I got matcha latte.
I want matcha latte. You stole it from me. I like matcha latte. My name is Ron from the Action. I like the sign is as a fat patient. I am declining you. Decline Ron. I decline Ron. Is that if I was you? Is that I decline Ron?
Oh, I don't care about him.
I thought you who was your favorite character. Who's your favorite character in Animal Hospital? But I copy a character. It's like one of the characters like
He's Canadian.
Canadian. We have Rod going to room 74. Room 7, we got room 7. Room 7, room 7, please. Room 7, room 7, please. Twitcher? Such a Twitter? My name is Oreo the Masorio. Okay, hi Oreo Masorio. If that's a name, Masorio, Oreo the Masorio. Oreo the Masorio. I broke two beds. Oreo. I am being I'm being weird this video. I'm too hyper. Too hyper. We have a camera broken. I'm gonna look in it. See if we get the camera monster. Wait, don't fix the camera. I wanna get the camera monster. Oh, I got coffee. Let's go. More coffee. Have you got a single coffee yet, Lottie?
No.
How much share do you have? Lottie?
Yes.
How much is Eddie?
99.
I have 100. Asked to leave. I'm asking him to leave, okay? I'm looking at the front desk. This is not my job, bro. I think I found an anomaly. She is such an anomaly. She just got an anomaly. Oh, good. I'd rather play this game in no bio and freaking C and computer. Cause literally
Let me cook.
seconds into the match, I patient fire. Okay, got this. Get cancelled, mate. Okay, not my problem. My name is Nadal. Okay, Nadal. Let's see how it is. My finger doesn't work anymore. It doesn't work. Okay. Right. Works, let's go. So it works. This works like a little finger. get a ponytail. My finger. How's my finger bad? Referee. Got a bot, so. Okay, I'm gonna look. Who fixed cameras? You fix cam.
Yeah.
Frick you.
Why?
I was trying to get the camera monster.
Huh?
I was trying to get cam monster. Nobody to get cam. Oh, it's Bonnie. Bonnie, I think I got some coffee ready. Oh. I'm gonna have to take one sip. What's the point of another sip? Okay. Bonnie. I'll be back in a second. Okay. Yep. Lottie, I drank all the coffee. Now I have to wait 150 seconds for Bonnie just to get coffee. Ready? Spin it! This player with $100 million. Oh, 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 oh! And it's Bonnie! Bonnie gets you, gets Lottie. We don't have coffee ready, see? We got 100 seconds.
You will avoid them.
Haha. Now we have body capping here forever. Okay, what we should do in the meanwhile? So kill some patients. Here, I'll ask you something. A death note. Clean off your neck. I'm gonna break the soda can. Buy a color. I'm gonna buy a color. I'll buy a color. I think our coffee's ready in 70 seconds. Better be careful, else you might get stabbed. Lottie, you might be careful. Look behind you. You better, Lottie, get her out of the way. There's a knife right there. It's like this. Watch, you don't be... You refuse him? Lottie.
I never refused him. It took too long.
I have 40 seconds of coffee left.
I didn't do anything. I was too weak back from him.
Well, that's not that strong, actually. This is not a real knife. This is a fake knife. I think I got this for this. There's no way you can't pierce for wood, but a nail can. What the frick? A knife can? You can literally screw at it. Screw you. It's not able. Enabled. Yeah. See? This is not good. Bro, this is supposed to freaking cut. This is supposed to get fungus, and this is still not a good fungus pickup. This fungus pickup sucks. Bro, it breaks wood. Can I break this wood? I can. Except that's the tip can. Oh, coffee's ready. I'm the first one to get it. I'm gonna drink all of it.
Okay.
What?
Okay. That's nice.
Who wants it?
Well, how to say, yeah.
100?
I have 90. I have 92.
I actually have 95.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Show me.
What?
Chris has 92.
I'm gonna take it.
Okay.
Ugh. Nickelodeon. I'm buying the gun.
Okay, you can do roommate surgery.
What? Hey. Oh, fine. I'll kill him.
Bed.
Let's see. Season episode 2 is honestly the worstest episode I'll probably ever do in Animal Hospital. Okay, got a scout for Barney. This is Barney, okay? Sleepy Barney. We're gonna give you some water first. Next, water. You want to cut open the water, okay? Oh. I think I killed him. She gonna kill me now. Oh, I'm dead. I'm hiding. Cheeks. I want chocolate. I did chocolate. No, I want the gun! I'm buying money. I'm buying Robux. Buy. David password. I don't know what the password is. You know what the password is? David Cup 505.
What are you doing?
Put the password in for Robux, though.
Does that know?
No, but I know it. GMA.
Wait until
IL
he finds out about this.
dot comma. Hit up. Verify. I got it wrong. It's because I don't know it. He's an anomaly. Don't sign him in. Hey, anomaly. You already stabbed someone with taser? You have the taser?
Yeah.
You already used it?
Yeah.
Oh, frick you. I took coffee, by the way. Oh, shit, I closed the exit door. It is surface, mate. Get back here. Put your son left. Not my problem. Coffee, movie. Coffee's moving, okay? I bet you're near the surgery room, right? No, you're in room 5. Okay, we need to find myself. Where am I? You know where I'm at? I found myself. Need some eye drops first. IV.
Are you done?
No. Okay.
Bro, you idiot!
Eye drops now. How do I go through the door? Where's the door I'm in? Hi, I'm not working here. That looks like a good photo to me. He needs some eye drops, okay? We've been playing this game for 25 minutes. Will we ever finish shift 4? Oh, we gotta kill someone.
Let's kill everyone.
Yeah, that's what I think. Is Taser? I want to take Taser. Put it back.
I'm getting this person right here.
No, I was gonna do that. Give it. Place it down. Give it to me.
I can't place it down, dear.
Yes, you can. Go back to the thing. You're able to place it down. Ready? Now.
I'll use this thing. I swear to God.
I'll use the eye drops on your eyes.
No.
Because you're blind already.
I'm gonna do it.
You better not. Else I get some back shots. I'm taking him. He's mine.
Oh God, that's scary.
It's fine. That's mine. It's fine. I'm gonna keep him. He's my character. Go Cams. Cam switching. How's the dead body floating? I'm doing room 5, okay? Take your DNA. Where am I? I don't know where I'm at. Where am I? Can you see me?
Yes, sir.
Where am I?
You're in room 5, by the way.
Yeah, I'm in room 5, but I don't know where! Hey, yo! Where am I now? Oh, I see my username. Let's go. Where's he been? Eye drops?
Medkit, medicine, and advantages.
There's a med kit. I'm trying to get it. Med kit. What else?
Medicine and advantages.
Okay. Here's med kit. I can only do one at a time, okay? Bandages.
Yes.
Bandages. And what else?
Herbies.
Herbies. Okay. Herbies. We need some herbies. That's the wrong item. Herbies. We get some herbies.
You're gonna kill a patient by the way we do that.
Oh. What was it actually?
It was a medicine.
Oh, frick you. I need some herbies. Now I'm leaving. Frick you. I'm drinking some coffee now. You can smell my butt another day. Hey, yo, why is it a green freaking apple? We have 8 seconds to the shift ends. Should we kill everyone? What else do we need? We need something. We can't kill this dude. Freak you. Take a photo of him. I can let him dead. Ooh. Don't peek around the corner. Shut up. Now leave.
Customer on the loose. How dare you?
I let him leave.
How dare you? I thought Rafi was your favorite student.
Nope. It's my dad.
Of course it is.
Bonnie is my favorite. Actually, no, I mean Rafi is my favorite. But honestly, I'm trying to end the stream here. Okay, got the thing. Turn it.
Thank you. Now I can finally leave.
Wait, it was an anomaly. I was right. I missed Taser. It wasn't right. I didn't finish it. Oh, I'm getting knife out. Where's the knife? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Okay, ready. Ready for your first ever haircut?
Well, not first ever haircut.
Ready? I'll get some bald here.
I swear fucking God.
We're going to slice up in this bit. Slice the helmet. slice the bit, which keeps it stable. We'll slice the hair off. And slice the sticker. I'm gonna break the sticker.
Darn.
Father. Okay. But anyways, guys, that's it. Bye bye.